So you are looking for a new construction for a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, approximately 2,500 square feet, and you want to be around $530,000. Well, stay tuned because today I'm going to show you a gorgeous new construction by Taylor Morrison in Dacula, Georgia. This is in a brand new master plan community. It's called Bailey Fence. They just started building at the beginning of the year. They have a lot of beautiful homes available. In total, 92 beautiful homes. 3 to 5 bedroom, 3 to 5 bathrooms, gorgeous new master plan community with amazing amenities. You're gonna have a beautiful pool, a cabana, such an amazing master plan community built by Taylor Morrison in Dacula, Georgia. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you the best kept secrets of this neighborhood that you definitely don't want to miss, and we're getting after it right now. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to understand everything about living in Atlanta, Georgia, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in Atlanta, Georgia. My name is Livia Bika with Keller Williams, North Atlanta. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help on making their move to Suwanee, Alpharetta, Johns Creek, Sugar Hill, Beaufort, Cumming, or the surrounding areas. And we absolutely love it. Whether you are moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. All the information is in the description below so we can help you for a smooth move to North Atlanta and the beautiful suburb. So as I mentioned, today I'm going to take you to Dacula, Georgia, an amazing suburb of Atlanta. Very good school district. I'm talking about public school district. You will be in Dacula High School, Middle and Elementary, which are all 6 out of 10 and 7 out of 10. But they are amazing. You will be in Gwinnett Public School District. Amazing public schools here in Dacula, Georgia. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a beautiful 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathrooms, approximately 2,500 square feet, listed at $530,000. Brand new construction with a beautiful kitchen, a gorgeous open floor plan, a beautiful outdoor patio covered, and a nice backyard with privacy. Such an amazing master plan community, such a beautiful home at $530,000. Now this home also has a guest bedroom on the main. It has a beautiful master bedroom upstairs with a beautiful master bed and a huge walk-in closet. $530,000. Now make sure you call us so we can bring you here and so we can show you this property in person, and if you love it, of course, we're gonna help you write an offer and go on the contract. Now in today's video, I'm also gonna show you the neighborhood and the amenities, and then we're gonna come to this home right here so you can see it for yourself. Now let's go and check it out.
Everything
video, I'm gonna show you this property here. This home is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, approximately 2,500 square feet, listed around $530,000. We are in Bailey Fence, brand new master plan community built by Taylor Morrison in Dacula, Georgia. Now let's go and check it out. And don't forget, if you love this property, make sure you call us so we can bring you here and talk to the listing agent so you can secure this home for you and your family.
We can make them dance. Everything will be just fine. Yeah, we can make them dance. Yeah, we make them dance. And we make them lose their mind. Everything will be just fine. Run through this room. We can make them dance. Yeah, we can make them dance. Everything will be just fine. Yeah, we can make them dance.
$530,000, a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathrooms, approximately 2,500 square feet. Here, brand new construction by Taylor Morrison. Now make sure you like the video, subscribe, and make sure you call us so we can bring you here. We need to register you with the listing agent in order to be able to get all the incentives and all the specials that they will have available this month.
About the interest rate.
Now let's go upstairs and check it out. Now, as you see here, these are empty lots available because they just starting building this community at the beginning of the year. So they already have maybe 20 or 30 homes done. So here are the lots. If this property that I showed you today is not the one for you, you can call me. We're gonna bring you here. You can choose the floor plan that best fits your family. You know, a bigger floor plan or smaller floor plan. You can actually also add a basement. It's going to be a little bit more expensive here in Taylor Morrison in Bailey Fence, because adding a basement is probably like $100,000. So instead of 500 to 600,000 home, you're gonna have from 600,000 to 700,000. You can actually choose a lot here anywhere at the end of the neighborhood and build. For example, the Sumner is one of the biggest floor plan. The Trenton also is very good floor from Taylor Morrison, where you can add a basement. So you're gonna have more space, and eventually down the road you can actually finish that basement. So a lot of possibilities here in Bailey Fence in Dacula by Taylor Morrison. Now, for those of you that don't need the basement, keep in mind from 500 to 585, you can get a beautiful floor plan here in Bailey Fence. So if you need a basement, right here, this street goes all the way down because they're gonna have a total of 92 homes. So you can choose the floor plan that best fits your family, and you can choose the lot. But now if you have a basement, it's going to be a little like a slope lot where they're gonna build a basement and you're gonna have a beautiful deck. So beautiful options, amazing options here in Bailey Fence by Taylor Morrison. Now, we hope this video was helpful. Now make sure you contact us so we can bring you here and show you everything that they have available in this gorgeous new master plan community by Taylor Morrison. They do have 7 to 8 homes ready to move in. So for these quick move-in homes, you will get special incentives and an amazing interest rate. Sometimes Taylor Morrison has 4.49% for the first year and then 5.49% for the rest 29 years. Now for that you will have to qualify, so make sure you contact us so we can bring you here to the listing agent and we can go over everything. Now comment below and let me know, was this property $530,000 good for you and your family, or are you looking for something bigger?